The Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris, is the most numerous tiger subspecies and is found primarily in the Indian subcontinent. Here are some key characteristics and information about Bengal tigers. Physical characteristics. Appearance. Bengal tigers are known for their distinctive orange coat with dark stripes. The pattern of stripes on each tiger is unique, similar to a human fingerprint. Their underparts are white and they have a white facial mask with a pair of dark lines running from the eyes to the back of the head. Size. Bengal tigers are among the largest big cat species. Adult males can weigh between 420 to 570 pounds, 190 to 260 kilogram, while females are generally smaller, weighing between 220 to 370 pounds, 100 to 170 kilogram. Habitat. Bengal tigers inhabit a variety of ecosystems, including grasslands, subtropical and tropical rainforests, mangroves, and deciduous forests. They are highly adaptable. Behavior. Bengal tigers are solitary animals, with males and females coming together only for mating purposes. They are known for their strength, agility, and powerful hunting techniques. Geographic range. Historically, Bengal tigers were found in various countries across the Indian subcontinent, including India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Nepal. They inhabit a variety of ecosystems, including grasslands, mangrove swamps, and deciduous forests. Diet. Bengal tigers are carnivores and primarily feed on large ungulates such as deer and wild boar. They are known to be excellent swimmers and may hunt in water. Conservation status. Bengal tigers are classified as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss, poaching, and conflicts with humans. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these majestic creatures and their habitats. Conservation initiatives. Various conservation projects and initiatives, both governmental and non-governmental, aim to protect Bengal tigers. This includes the establishment of tiger reserves and efforts to combat illegal wildlife trade. Conservation efforts. Protected areas. Efforts are made to conserve Bengal tigers through the establishment of protected areas and wildlife sanctuaries. Anti-poaching measures. Anti-poaching efforts, along with community involvement and awareness programs, are crucial for the conservation of these majestic creatures. Could you please consider like and subscribing to our channel? It's a great way to show your support for what we do. Thank you for considering this request. Cultural significance. The Bengal tiger is the national animal of both India and Bangladesh and holds cultural and religious significance in the region. The Bengal tiger is often referred to as the Royal Bengal Tiger. This name reflects its majestic appearance and the historical association with Indian royalty. Efforts to conserve Bengal tigers and their habitats are crucial to ensuring the survival of this iconic species in the wild. Conservationists work towards creating a balance between human needs and tiger conservation to secure a sustainable future for both. Efforts are ongoing to ensure the survival and well-being of Bengal tigers in the wild, and it's crucial to address the various threats they face for the long-term conservation of this iconic species. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.